Here is one of the trickiest driving test routes in Cannington. Instead of exiting the car park on William Street, this examiner that I'm not going to name can potentially get you to turn right here towards Albany Highway. So you'll be going behind retrovision and through the big car park to cut through to Albany Highway. So I'm going to increase the speed of the footage here just to get you there quicker. It's important that you follow the instructions and not to question why and where they're taking you. Just listen to what they say, ensure that you're driving to the conditions. There are speed bumps in this area, a lot of pedestrians on the weekday. By the way, this was shot on the weekend, so there's no one around. Usually during the weekdays, this would be packed, so don't let anything important slip your eye. We're almost there. We're going to be turning left shortly. We're going to be heading towards the exit on Albany Highway. The examiner will usually say, I'd like you to turn right at the next traffic lights. And given that there's only a left turn here, you can't turn right, you shouldn't ask for any further instructions. You know that you can't turn right. Now, if both lanes are empty, there's no traffic, you should go straight across to the far right lane. I have to mention that a lot of unprepared test candidates attempt to turn right from the car park on Albany Highway where there's no right turn. So avoid that at any cost. By the way, if you don't manage to change lanes, if it's busy traffic, if you miss the intersection, just ask the assessor, hey, would you like me to turn around and come back and turn towards the direction where you asked me to, and see what they say. A lot of driving test candidates who failed this intersection complained that they did not have enough time to change lanes if they initially went to the left lane in a situation when traffic was busy. If there's no traffic, go straight over to the right lane, because if you go to the left lane and then change two lanes one at a time, they're going to mark you down for performing multiple maneuvers instead of one. This intersection here is even trickier. There's a stop sign instead of a give way, so nobody understands exactly why they designed this intersection, because both left and right hand side of this street that we're coming to are visible from the distance. Also, if you're about to exit this street from either left or right hand side, if you're doing the exercise left something behind in this pocket, there's no exit, so don't attempt to exit here. If you're taking a driving assessment in Cannington, explore the entire area and drive as much as possible, especially days leading to your driving assessment. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.